then just keep in mind of graduating June 2025. Bang bang. And now for the double click in on this part of the Z, what I like to do is I'll do this where I'm like tech stack, and then I'll just list it there. And then with the bullets, I'll give those an upgrade by getting more into detail about what happened on the implementation. I particularly focus my bullet points. And so I'm just going to put in advice. You need one on the deployment because the deployment matters a whole lot. I'm going to say deployment. You always need a deployment one. You want to have one that is going to be, you're going to want to have one that is going to be about implementation. Then you need one that is customer metric associated, like a real customer metric that the business actually gives a shit about. And so then when you do that, then it's like bada boom, bada bang, right? Like that's how it gets done. All right. So now come over here. All right, Michael, it's your turn. Where's yours? I don't see it.
On top of those.
Job description in mine.
No, I don't see it.
Yeah, it's supposed to be on top of others.
So did I probably mucked it up. I probably
right.
did something and then something happened. Could you paste it in, please?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, cool. In the interim, what's going to happen is, go. Just
Okay.
over to V0, and we're going to drop the hammer on V0. So this is a vertical coding agent. I'm going to say, make me a portfolio to show me as a very keen junior software engineer candidate. I struggle with companies having inflated expectations for juniors, and also with demonstrating my English speaking abilities. Companies around here typically use managed cloud services and deploy web applications, focusing on B2B use cases such as SaaS and internal tools. Boom. Take to get copy. Then make page, optimize it for mobile because it's a referral heavy. And at the prompt layer, when you understand, like, it's just going to know how to run with this. And now while we do that in the background, that's going to code up a whole application. And now we'll come over here. Does anyone have a hard stop? No. Okay. All right. Where is it? I mean, sometimes this is where Just Ship It does have problems because then you're like, where's the thing? All right, here we go. All right, F test is happening right now. So the F test happens like on site immediately. So the first thing is going to be here, and it's going to be the same thing. And like immediately I'm like, you're talking way too much about your past life, not enough about what's going on right now. I don't care about open source augmented reality. I do care about open source. I care about the number of tickets that you were closing or opened, or documentation that you wrote on the project though. Then I'm gonna Z down here and I'm gonna be like, wrong use of real estate here, because this is where you had my attention. And then you just downplayed all of these skills right here. So we're gonna have to patch that one. Then again, I'm seeing right here, boom. It's the wrong highlighting of the skills. And so, and then your best stuff is at the bottom. So we have a prioritization order problem. So we're going to give this one a refactor. But now watch, we did the Z test just now. What if I told AI about the Z test? I wonder how quickly it would pick up on things. Oh, did we already drop yours in? Dude,
It looks like it.
yeah, it looks like it, but now I'm just gonna be like, refactor this one to pass the Z test. The crowded market. Reduce. Every word must earn its place. Prioritization matters. Cognitive patterns for eyeballs and curiosity and motivation matter. I don't even need to spell this shit the right way, and it's still gonna do this. And now watch in the background while we're doing that, Pedro, you have a fully optimized website for mobile. Is this your name?
Yes.
You are now the proud owner of this website. Can you believe this? So take a look, like, passionate about creating innovative B2B SaaS solutions and internal tools using cloud technologies, bridging the gap between technical expertise and effective communication. About me, here's a little bit about you. As a junior full stack engineer with a background in sales, I bring a unique perspective to software development. Do you want to take a chance to read this?
That's from the top.
Just from here to here that I have highlighted.
As a junior full stack developer with a background in sales, I bring a unique perspective to software development. My experience has honed my communication skills and ability to understand client needs, which I now apply to creating user-centric web applications. I'm particularly interested in B2B SaaS solutions and internal tools, leveraging cloud technologies to build scalable and efficient applications. My goal is to contribute to projects that make a real difference in how businesses operate. Fluent in both English and Spanish, I excel in diverse team environments and can effectively communicate complex technical concepts to both technical and non-technical.
If I thought you had that memorized, I was gonna be like, yo, that's good. But hold on, here's the link. It's yours now. And then also, this is the code, and it's written in Next.js. I know you guys care about, you know, using the languages that are really in demand. And I'm gonna share this with you. And so now, whenever you want, here you go. This is in the chat. So you'll be able to come to V0. You'll be able to deploy and publish this. This will then be in your own GitHub profile.